Hey guys, today we are quickly having a look at the Logitech MK220. This is just I think a very cheap wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech, or budget keyboard and mouse, rather say that than cheap. It's got a few features and whatever, just the basic stuff. So yeah, let's quickly have a look at how it looks and how the typing feels like. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Okay, there's the keyboard. It's little booklet and the mouse. Okay, they give you batteries with, so that's nice. There's the little receiver that plugs into the desktop or the laptop. So this is a large receiver. I don't know if there's a space for it in the mouse. Let's quickly check that out if you're traveling. Yeah, I don't know. Let's quickly see. Insert these batteries. Just would like to see if there's a space for the receiver inside of the mouse. It does look like that. Okay. Let me just get some thing to open this with. There we go. That's better. I struggle to get the batteries out. That's nice. So we've got those. I don't know if it's, maybe it's laser. There's no on and off switch, so, and I can't see the optical. Just want to see if this fits here. It doesn't. I just thought maybe you can put the receiver in here somewhere and take with you. Okay, you can't. Then on the keyboard, you can maybe you can put it in here. There's just a little slider thing. It is a bit bendy, so it's not a very solid kind of keyboard. At least they've got standoffs, so you can put the keyboard a bit higher and a bit lower. This is where the batteries goes in. Seems like the dongle is just dongling along. So yeah, you don't have an option to put it somewhere when you're traveling or whatever. You'll have to put it in a separate bag. I can't see how it will fit in anywhere. So on some of the wireless keyboard and mice, they have a little space for that thing to go in. Okay, there's no lights on this keyboard, confirming nothing, so you just have to believe that it's working. Okay, so I can confirm this is a laser mouse. It's got no optical, you can't see that it's working. I don't know if the camera maybe can see it, but yeah, you can't see that laser. So and I also don't know if this has got a warning light to show you that the battery's flat. So it is working at the moment. I've plugged it into a computer and just installs normal quickly, just works. So yeah, that's how it looks and how it feels. Just a quick video to show you. The typing on it, yeah, I think it's nice. It's got a nice feedback on the keys. You've got your media keys here. If I press the calculator button, it doesn't activate it immediately. You have to hold in function and press the calculator button, then it brings up the calculator. So there's a nice few features and stuff on there, so you've got shortcut keys at least. So yeah, again, that's the Logitech MK220 and how it looks.